Okay, I'm still on the wolves, but now they're like doing stuff, so I thought I'd shoot another video. For some reason, all of the white ones just started attacking the brown one. They were like biting its throat and stuff. Look at him. Look at him. And the baby, and he's just like, oh, okay, are we playing? I think we're playing. Yep. Kind of sad. Look at him. Going up to the brown one. Gonna gang up on him. I think the guy behind us that's working is the guy who usually gives them food because they're all looking over there. Okay, that's enough of that.